How to log out Insta from all devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log out Instagram from all devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out Insta off all devices, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, just come to the profile icon by tapping this at the bottom right, then tap the three lines option from the top right, then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, just go to security. One way that you can log out your account from all devices is by simply changing your password. So when you tap this password option here, you can simply enter your current password and enter the new password again. In order to change it, when you change the password, all the devices that are logged in will get automatically signed up. Once you've done that, the second thing you can do is you can simply go to this option known as login activity, and you'll be able to see all the devices from the locations that are currently logged in. You can tap the three dots option next to it, tap the logout button in order to log out successfully out of all these devices. This way you'll be able to log out Insta from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.